Welcome back to another video. Wagwan, my people. We got a full day planned today. I gotta head back to the gym. So as you guys know, if you follow my channel, I've been doing a lot of renovations, getting the ADU built in the back and doing a lot of landscaping and thing outside, right? So every time I do that, I end up losing weight, right? So we're almost at the end of all the renovations and landscaping and things, so it's time for me to get back in the gym. I feel like I lost a lot of weight. I don't know how much yet. My comfortable weight is usually right around 175 pounds. So anything past that or lower than that, it's not good for me. So I got to get back into the gym, get my exercise going so I can chung up on thing. So when I get to the gym, I'm going to step on the scale and see how bad the damage is. And then we'll work from there and get back to the comfortable weight and thing, All right, so after I go to the gym, I gotta head to pick up some cement. There's a concrete pad that I need to mix and pour in the backyard still. Still some work to get done back there. But, gym is important too. I'll pour that, pick up the cement, pour that. And then, as you can see outside, let me see if I can show on the outside right now. Up on the tree there. Can't probably even hear the breeze a blow. Breeze a blow tough. Right? So if the breeze is still blowing tough by the time I get all that other work done, I got this kite that I made like a year and a half ago. I think it's close to 2 years still. And I'm gonna try to see. I never got a chance to test it out after I made it to see if the thing actually flies. So if that breeze is still blowing by the time I get all the other work done, I'm gonna fly my kite. I'm not growing up, nigga. You grow up. Saying? That breeze was blowing last night, boy. Broke down that tree limb right there. Where'd it come from? Right there.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Quick workout. We did back and a little bit of biceps. Is it bulging? You see no difference yet? Alright, so when I weighed myself, I weighed 168. That means I'm about 7 pounds off of the goal. So I need to gain 7 pounds worth of muscle. We're gonna keep going back to the gym until we reach at least 175 to 180. That's the goal. All right, now we're heading to go pick up some cement, so we can pour that cement pad in the backyard. More work. Follow me. Like the video. Let's go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At the bomber, can you see me try to do a video? I gotta eat some food before I mix this cement. Food break. First thing we gotta do, drink some milk for protein. Guava juice. Juice for the champions. Oh, now I'm gonna spill it. My doors on wait till you come back here. My son wants to say hi. Hey! Good? Shy guy. Alright, got the cement poured. Cement pad right here for the tenants to put their garbage bin on. Their garbage recycle. It's gonna go right there. Plus I put it right there because there's a water pipe right there. So water be splashing up on the side of the building if I didn't put that. So that's fresh. Tomorrow I can take off the forms. Then let's walk through this patchy yard. I just watered the seeds in there for it to grow. I also poured this little landing pad right here at the end of this step for the tenant upstairs up there. I can take off the forms for this tomorrow also. Got those done today. Let's take a close-up look at the grass, little seedlings coming in. Look at it. These little ones right here. Let me zoom in. There's the little seedlings starting to grow. One right there, there. All them little ones. So, grass is slowly growing in. Looking at the sky, see if no breeze a blow. I'm looking upon the tree then. No breeze up top. I could probably get a small kite up, but I don't know about one of the big ones. Well, if more breeze come in, I might go try fly the thing. If not, see you in our next video.